The battlefield is evolving fast. From next-gen drones to hypersonic weapons and AI-powered defense systems, military technology has reached a whole new level. In this video, we're diving into the most advanced, game-changing military innovations that are reshaping modern warfare. Whether it's stealth tech, robotic soldiers, or high-energy weapons, these advancements are pushing the limits of power, strategy, and defense. Get ready to witness the future of combat. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Sarbot. The Sarbot is an advanced unmanned ground combat robot developed by the Turkish defense company Sarsılmaz. Designed to meet modern military operational needs, Sarbot is engineered to operate in hazardous environments where human intervention is limited or risky. Sarbot is built to navigate challenging terrains, ensuring operational effectiveness in diverse environments. Equipped with integrated weapon systems, it provides substantial firepower to engage various threats. Designed for seamless incorporation into complex ground operations, enhancing the capabilities of armed forces. Sarbot garnered significant attention for its potential to revolutionize modern warfare across various platforms and terrains to neutralize threats effectively. ARX Mithra OS. The ARX Mithra OS is an advanced AI-based operating system designed to modernize existing military vehicle fleets by transforming them into intelligent, interconnected, and autonomous units. This retrofit solution equips traditional vehicles with AI-driven capabilities, enabling adaptive navigation, autonomous reconnaissance, and remote operations. By integrating this kit, standard vehicles are transformed into smart, responsive assets capable of operating with minimal human intervention. Mithra OS facilitates real-time data exchange between vehicles and swarming operations. This interconnectedness enhances tactical coordination and operational efficiency across the fleet. By implementing ARX Mithra OS, armed forces can rapidly and cost-effectively upgrade their existing vehicle fleets, reducing the need for new procurements. This approach not only enhances operational capabilities, but also ensures that military assets remain adaptable to the evolving demands of modern warfare. The Silas Helma P high-energy laser for multiple applications power is a cutting-edge laser-based air defense system designed to counter aerial threats such as drones, UAVs, loitering munitions, and mortar rounds with high-precision laser technology. Utilizes directed energy technology to neutralize airborne threats by damaging or destroying them with a focused laser beam. Designed to operate as a counter-drone system, effectively disabling UAVs from a safe distance. Enables instantaneous engagement of targets without requiring ammunition and no collateral damage, unlike traditional missile or gun-based defense systems. Can be mounted on ground vehicles, naval vessels, or fixed platforms. Can be deployed for military, security, and critical infrastructure protection. Helma P represents a significant advancement in laser-based defense technology, providing a cost-effective and efficient solution against evolving drone threats. The Bullfrog is an autonomous counter-drone robotic gun system designed to address the escalating threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. It combines advanced artificial intelligence with kinetic firepower to detect, identify, and neutralize hostile drones. Equipped with electro-optical sensors and proprietary AI software, Bullfrog autonomously scans the environment, identifies UAV threats, and engages them without human intervention. Mounting a 7.62mm M240 machine gun on a rotating turret, the system delivers accurate fire to neutralize drones. The development of Bullfrog addresses the growing threat posed by low-cost, weaponized drones on the battlefield, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution for drone defense. The KNDS Boxer Bridge Layer is a modular military vehicle designed to rapidly deploy bridges in combat and disaster scenarios. Built on the Boxer armored vehicle platform, this system provides mobile bridging capabilities for military forces needing to cross obstacles such as rivers, trenches, or damaged infrastructure. Based on the Boxer armored vehicle, it integrates a bridge-laying module, making it highly adaptable for different battlefield needs. The system can quickly deploy a military-grade bridge to support armored and mechanized units in crossing obstacles. The bridge can handle main battle tanks and other heavy vehicles, ensuring that forces can maintain mobility in challenging terrain. The armored Boxer platform provides excellent protection against mines, IEDs, and enemy fire. Used by military engineers for combat support operations, it helps maintain supply lines and enhance tactical mobility in warfare. The Servitec Inflatable Walls Training System is an advanced, modular training solution designed for military, law enforcement, and emergency response teams. It provides a realistic, rapidly deployable, and cost-effective environment for tactical training, urban combat scenarios, and disaster response drills. The system consists of lightweight, high-strength inflatable walls that can be quickly set up to create customizable training environments. Simulates urban environments, rooms, corridors, and building layouts, allowing for close-quarters battle, hostage rescue, and counterterrorism exercises. Can be inflated and set up within minutes, making it ideal for mobile training operations. The Servitec Inflatable Walls Training System enhances situational awareness, decision-making, and tactical proficiency, making it an invaluable tool for modern military and law enforcement training. Mira C-21. Conquer any chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threat with Mira Safety's C-21 full-face respirator, the pinnacle of protection engineered for those who demand the best. This state-of-the-art mask combines uncompromising safety with tactical versatility, empowering you to face the most challenging environments with absolute confidence. Designed for tactical, military, law enforcement, and emergency response applications. Auto shut-off valve system enables safe filter changes while maintaining protection. Fog-resistant panoramic visor ensures a wide field of view and enhanced situational awareness. Features an integrated speech diaphragm for clear communication. Can be used with external voice projection units or tactical communication systems for seamless team coordination. Includes a built-in drinking system, allowing users to stay hydrated in prolonged missions without removing the mask. Agilite Magnetics. The Magnetics Battle Belt by Agilite is a next-generation tactical belt designed for military, law enforcement, and shooting professionals. It addresses common issues found in traditional battle belts by integrating an innovative magnetic alignment system, ensuring ease of use and enhanced stability. Patent-pending technology ensures the inner and outer belts align perfectly every time, making it easy to put on and take off, even in high-stress situations. Designed to prevent sagging or shifting, keeping gear securely in place even under heavy loads. The outer belt features MOLLE webbing all the way to the buckle, maximizing space for pouches, holsters, and other tactical accessories. Made from tactical nylon and thermoplastic composite, ensuring extreme durability while remaining lightweight. Whether you're on the battlefield, in training, or at the range, this battle belt is engineered for maximum performance, reliability, and comfort. The Northrop Grumman Model 437 Vanguard is an advanced technology demonstrator aircraft designed to explore multi-mission capabilities in a low-cost, attritable platform. Designed for a range of 3,000 nautical miles, 6 hours of flight endurance, and a payload capacity of 2,000 pounds. It includes 2 internal weapons bays capable of housing missiles. While primarily designed for autonomous operations, the Model 437 includes a cockpit for a pilot, facilitating rapid testing and compliance with airspace regulations. The development process utilized Northrop Grumman's digital engineering ecosystem, significantly reducing engineering rework and accelerating the schedule. This aircraft underscores Northrop Grumman's commitment to leveraging digital engineering and rapid prototyping to develop versatile, cost-effective aircraft solutions for future defense applications. Patria Nemo Container. This state-of-the-art, versatile, and compact naval mortar system designed to enhance the firepower of ships. The system is designed to fit into a standard ISO container, making it easily adaptable for installation on various types of ships, including commercial vessels and naval. This container-based system ensures the mortar can be rapidly deployed without requiring significant modifications to the ship. The Nemo system can fire 120mm mortar shells, offering excellent precision and range. It is capable of firing guided munitions and high-explosive shells, making it highly effective against a range of targets, including enemy positions, surface vessels, and threats on land. The system is designed for remote operation, with the mortar being controlled from the ship's command center. This allows for safe and efficient operations with minimal crew involvement. And that's a wrap. We just explored some of the most mind-blowing technologies that are shaping the future. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more epic content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.